Hey dear users. Welcome to the Agile Store add-ons for WooCommerce tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to see location picker at checkout feature, and how to use and detect location on the website. This feature helps customers to select their locations through map and detect location button as well. So let's get started with the video. To leverage location picker at checkout feature, you'll need to go WooCommerce plugin inside Agile Store Locator. Now scroll down a little bit, here you'll see the location picker at checkout feature. Enable this feature. And save the settings. To view the location picker feature, go to the product page, select the product size and color, and click on the Add to Cart button. Now view the Add to Cart page. Proceed to the checkout page. Here you can see the location picker feature. Choose your desired location on the map and use this location button. We've selected the desired location and you can see it is updated on the respective billing address fields. Now place the order. Here you can see the billing address that we've selected from the location picker feature. That's all from this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Agile Store add-ons for WooCommerce videos. Until then, goodbye.